Hey y'all, I hope everyone is well. I am going to help you with number one on the ticket out of the door. The problem is 6x squared plus 11x plus 4 is equal to 0, and we're going to just go ahead and factor that quadratic using the formula in steps that I provided in the notes. So, the first thing our notes tell us to do is to multiply. Let's label first. This is A, this is B, and this is C. And our notes tell us to multiply A times C. And so if we multiply A times C, 6 times 4 is equal to 24, correct? And it also says when we find those numbers, when we factor 24 out, they when we add those two numbers, whatever those numbers are, let me make sure you can see it. They must equal to B. So, and B is 11. So let's go through that process. We know that 1 times 24 is equal to 24, and 1 plus 24 is equal to 25. Let's go 2 times 12 is equal to 24. 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. 3 times 8 is equal to 24. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. It looks like we've got a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay. Our next rule says to leave the first term and the last term and to substitute these two values for the middle term. So I'm going to erase my board and do that. So we have 6x squared plus 3x plus 8x plus 4. And then the rule says group the first two terms and group the last two terms. The next rule says factor out the GCF, greatest common factor. So in this first term, think about it. What is it? I'm going to give you a few seconds. Absolutely right. It's 3x. So what's left in here? If I take 3x from 6x squared, I have 2x left, plus I pulled out a whole 3x, so that's plus 1. Now with this 8x plus 4, what is the greatest common factor that I can pull out there? Absolutely correct. 4. So if I pull out a 4, I have a 2x plus 1. Now if we look at this, something looks similar. As our rule says, that inside term that's in the parentheses are the same, so we can do what? Factor it out. So if we factor that term out, then we combine, I'm going to box it so I don't underline it. These two terms, we have now factored this problem. So we're going to combine 3x plus 4, which is on the outside of the parentheses, is what our steps say. So this would be the final answer, 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 4. I hope this helps. Good luck. Have a great day.